Welcome to this video on the realms of flora, an ecological guide exploring environmental mastery and essential survival tactics for plants. Our world is divided into two major realms, water and land. Consequently, plants are categorized into two primary factions, the aquatic faction and the terrestrial faction. Survival is governed by the law of absolute domain. Plants are hyper-specialized for their native environment, making it nearly impossible for them to survive if displaced into the other realm. First, we examine the aquatic faction. These are plants like the lotus, water chestnut, algae, and 4 o'clock flower, all adapted to grow and reproduce entirely underwater or on the surface. Aquatic plants feature broad leaves and long, spongy stems for buoyancy. Because water is always available, they have short, clustered roots, as deep anchoring is not required. The terrestrial faction is divided by the terrestrial fracture into two sub-factions, the plains, which are fertile and fast-growing, and the desert, which are arid and hardy. Subfaction 2A is the plains faction. These plants, including mulberry, mango, orange, peepal, and banyan, grow in fertile soil, allowing them to grow massive and quickly. Plains plants utilize strong stems and hard leaves for massive vertical growth. Their root systems are wide and deep, maximizing nutrient extraction from the fertile soil. Subfaction 2B is the desert faction. These plants, such as the cactus, rack, jand, and kikar, are extremely hardy and specifically evolved for arid, sandy regions with scarce rainfall. Desert plants adapt by using pointed or thorny leaves to minimize water loss from evaporation. They also develop extremely deep roots to bypass surface sand and access hidden water. This adaptation diagnostic chart summarizes the differences in root architecture, stem density, and leaf morphology across the three groups, aquatic, plains, and desert. Ultimately, survival requires hyperspecialization. Each plant trades specific capabilities to master their environment. This specialization guarantees survival, but permanently binds the organism to its native realm.